Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on Excel. So in today's session, let's learn something new. And for that, we have taken some data. I have invoices. I have 100 invoices here. And in this folder, I have 99 invoice copies. I don't know which one is missing. So how you can find out which one is missing easily? You can check one by one manually or the other option, which I'm going to show now. So for that, let's open a blank Excel. I'll go to data. So we are using Power Query for that. How you can navigate to Power Query? Go to data, get data from file. You have a lot of options here. So let's don't go into too much of details. Let's stick to the basics. So I'm getting the data from my folder, which is available over here. So I'll be giving that as the input, get data from the folder. So this is the folder which I have. I'll just click on open. So here you can see all the files appearing over here, right? So I can click on, we have multiple options, combine the files, just load the files or transform the data. I want to combine. So combine and then transform. So I'll just click on combine and transform data. Okay, I'll just click on sheet one. So a new pop-up window will open. Once this window is open, you cannot do any changes in your existing Excel workbooks. This is non-editable now because this window is open. If you have to do any changes, you have to close this window and then only you can open the normal Excel. So this is how the Power Query editor will look like, and you will see more or less similar to Excel, and you have all the options over here. And on the left side, you will see queries and all the sheets open. And on the right side, you will see the applied steps, which is the in Excel when you do multiple steps, it will be just as lying as a formula, but here it will be recorded as each step. So on the right side, you can see all the steps. Whenever you do any changes, the steps will keep on add. You can edit the steps or you can add or remove the steps in between. You can do all those things in Power Query. So now I don't want much. I just need the file name. So this is the file name I want. I can simply remove this XLSX dot, right? So for that, split column by delimiter. This is similar to our text to delimiter. In Excel, we can do that, right? Here also you have this split column by delimiter. So this is the delimiter I'm using, dot. Click OK. And I just got the numbers, invoice numbers in a separate column. And you can see split column by delimiter. The new step got added and change type. Whenever you do any changes, the formatting will keep on readjusting. So the formatting earlier was a ABC to 1, 2, 3. ABC means text, 1, 2, 3 means numbers. So here I got the output. I can just simply close and load, and it will be loaded over here. So now I can see 99, which is nothing but the file names of this particular folder. So now I can simply put a VLOOKUP. So now if I see the error, okay, I have two files which are missing. So these are the two files which are missing, and there's one more extra file. So let's see that also, which is the extra file we have. We are checking if we have any required file missing, and we are also checking any extra files which we got. This is the extra file which is not available in the list we need, and these are the two missing files. So this is a simple way we can use Power Query. We'll deep dive more into Power Query in the upcoming sessions. Stay tuned. Thank you.